Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa, and this is Annie's Attic monthly kit for Caring Crochet Kit Club. The kit is $19.99, I want to say. I'm sorry, I'll leave the link down below. It is an affiliate link, however, it doesn't cost you anything, but if you do use that link, it does help me out a little bit. This month, the kit is for gentlemen or women, because personally I would wear this set. It is a convertible cowl and mitt set, and it looks easy enough for me. It looks like just really basic single crochet or half double crochet. Let's see what it is. This kit comes with what you need to make the kit, if I can open the thingy. And it's the convertible hat that turns into the cowl, or vice versa, however you want to say it. The cowl, you scrunch it up and it turns into the hat. Or you take it out and you put it on your neck. And the mitts. The skill level is easy. The finish size is for most adults. And is designed by Jackie Doherty. It is a... Trying not to show you the pattern. It does require it is medium 4 weight yarn. It is 312 yarns per skein. It is absolutely beautiful and absolutely soft. It is called Coffee Shop. Let's see. I don't know if mine is Coffee Shop. It is so soft. Mine is kind of like a greens. I don't know if I want green coffee. I've heard of green tea. Mine is called Columbia. So pretty. And it's so soft. Creative Craftings with SC came over and he was looking at this and went, ooh, that's nice. You can make that for me. So, and he doesn't wear hats. It hasn't been that cold this year. Isn't that pretty though? It's super soft. Super squishy. It's Coffee Shop. Oh, that's where they get the Coffee Shop. I'm such a dingleberry sometimes. It is 2 skeins in this. You will need a G-size hook. You will have all the directions that you need to make your cowl/hat and your mitts in this kit. I'm trying to see if it's easy, kid. It says it's easy, but that doesn't mean it's easy. And this yarn is absolutely beautiful. Let's see, chain 35, I can't say it out loud. Picking in the back loop. Yeah, like I said, it's single crochets. Pick in the back loop, picking up the front loop. This is Premier Coffee Shop. I haven't seen this one before. It came in the kit a couple of weeks ago. Sorry, I'm a little bit behind. It says it's a lightweight number 3. And it requires a 4mm needle or a 4mm hook, USG size 6. Please do wash it. Do not triangle it. Do not dry it. Do not iron it, but you can dry clean it. And there, machine washable, warm water, lay flat to dry. Because that's how we all dry our hats in the winter so they don't shrink. Inspirations and patterns on premieryarns.com. I think that's really nice because they give you free patterns. Adult size sweater takes 6 skeins. It's beautiful. Oh, that would be beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. I have yet to make a wearable other than a shawl. Isn't that gorgeous? That would make a beautiful sweater. What would you make with this if it wasn't the cowl and the hat convertible kit with gloves? Would you make a sweater? Because that pattern's on their website. That's so pretty. I would need more than 6 skeins, though. I'm just telling you right now. That is so pretty. I would also have to hope that is crocheted and not knit. I do not knit. I did knit when I was younger. I do not knit any longer. I love this yarn. It's got a little bit of a halo. I don't know if I've said it yet, but I like this yarn. It is green with browns. And it's Premier. And I think it's their new label. I'm not sure. I know Michael's has switched labels. I don't know if you've noticed that. Anyway, back on my cowl scarf hat thing and mittens. I think I'll be making this one, but it's going to be a little bit before I get to it because I've decided everything had to stop because I have to organize my life. Now I'm back and I'm going to get to it, but I'm not going to put a time pressure on myself because that'll just stress me out and I'll get migraines and I won't be able to do anything and I'll miss you guys. But that way you know what's been going on, and I hope you had a great day, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, could you please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. If you already are a subscriber, thank you so much, and I appreciate you coming this far into the video and listening. I am almost at 500 lovely little family members, and when I do get to 500, I will be giving a bag of yarn away with some other fun things in it. I will also have a knit giveaway with some books for knitting. No, they are not brand new, but they are in excellent condition. I am looking around my room as I speak right now, and I don't know what I'll do, but it's going to be fun, and I hope to see you there. Have a great day. See you on the YouTube streets.